Action Man. In the latest new movie, Action Man kicks the crap out of biogenetical robots. Third day of our off-from-school vacation. And there's Nippy. Hey, Nippy! Look up here. Hey, Nippy. Okay, tweet. Okay, tweet. There he is. See? Nippy dog. If we look outside, Hi, I'm Eric, and I'm going to be showing you a nature documentary of my own. And to start off, I'm going to show you many of the bug species that are here in the woods with me. One of the creatures you probably most hear about, that's probably most common, is the ant, the common ant. The ants live in this kind of anthill that you can see around mounds of dirt, stuff like that, and they enter in this hole, and they have a whole colony down there. And the ants are one of the main animals of the woods. Also on this list, we have butterflies who like to suck the blooms from this plant. The bugs category are little flying things and beetles and stuff like that. They like to feed on plants, stuff like that. And there's some bugs and stuff. They like to fly around these grapevines. Probably the most annoying bug is the fly. And we got them in here. The fly is most common around trash can and dead moles if you have cats. Well, you've seen most of the bugs. Let me tell you, there are many bugs that I don't really know the names of. There's so many in this vast world of the woods. There's arachnids like the spider, and there are even worms, which are bugs. There are many other things like moths, slugs, all those snails. There's many animals that we don't know about yet even. But next we move to a more well-known animal no matter where you live. They're everywhere. Birds. You can see many birds up in the woods. I'll take you straight to see them.
He tied her up, and then he turned on the bird. And then...